In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a shop on Etsy. Whether you're a regular Etsy shopper or someone just looking to preserve the integrity of the platform, knowing how to report a shop can be incredibly useful. Perhaps you've come across a shop that appears to be selling counterfeit items, products that are not actually handmade, or other content that just doesn't seem to align with Etsy's policies. Whatever the case may be, the steps to report such a shop are straightforward and ensure that Etsy maintains its standard of quality and trust. First, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page of the shop you have concerns about. This is where the magic begins. On this page, you will typically find several links or buttons, usually located on the left side beneath or near options like Contact Shop Owner, Sales, or Admirers. Among these options, you should see one labeled Report this shop to Etsy. Now, it's important to take a moment and make sure you've clicked on the right spot. You'll want to click on the Report this shop to Etsy link or button. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to select a reason for your report. One common reason might be something along the lines of, "I don't think it meets Etsy's policies." This is to make sure that your report is categorized correctly. After choosing a general reason, you'll be presented with a list of specific issues. This step is crucial. Carefully go through the list and select the specific reason that matches your particular concern. For example, you might find options such as counterfeit, prohibited item, or not handmade. Picking the correct reason helps Etsy to address the issue more effectively. Once you've selected the specific reason for your report, Etsy gives you the option to add a note or explanation. This is your opportunity to provide any additional details that you think might be important for Etsy to know. Feel free to elaborate on the nature of the issue so Etsy can understand exactly what you've noticed and why it's a problem. Finally, go ahead and submit your report. Etsy takes these reports seriously and will review the information you've provided to determine the appropriate course of action. Remember, doing this not only helps maintain the quality of the platform, but also supports the broader community that values creativity, authenticity, and fairness. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to reporting a shop on Etsy. By following these steps, you'll contribute to keeping Etsy a safe and trustworthy marketplace for everyone. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.